You know, in the middle of the 1950s, coming out of the Great Depression, a man would go to war at the age of 17 just to get the hell off the farm. And being raised on a whiskey still was just about as poor as you could get. But they had a recipe for a soup they called shadow soup. And that's where you got your pot of boiling water, got it steaming real good, and you caught the chicken, and you just held it over the water until the shadow went over it, and then you let that sumbitch go because you needed the eggs. Shadow soup, my daddy would talk about it all the time. You'd just be eating the fucking shadow of the chicken and water and praying for some fucking meat. God bless you, fluent English.